This was not a parade, it was a warning stage for the entire world. Well, in the heart of Tehran, something unsettling appeared in public view. Rows of empty coffins, marked, labeled, and pointed clearly at Iran's enemy. Well, the message was chillingly blunt. This will be your graveyard. Americans, Israelis. No ambiguity, no subtlety. Now, listen carefully to what Iran just said, and that too officially this time. Iran's regular army chief, General Amir Khatami, he stepped forward with a message that sounded less like diplomacy and more like a battlefield briefing. Basically, in his words, let me quote it: "Our fingers are on the trigger." Not metaphorical here, not symbolism. Well, a direct warning of military readiness. And you know what does this finger on the trigger really means? It means Iran believes a strike is possible. It means Iranian forces are not relaxed, not waiting, not guessing. According to Hatami, Iran is closely tracking every move made by the US and its allies in that particular region. Every aircraft, every warship, every deployment. In his words, nothing is slipping past Iranian surveillance. And this warning, it is coming right now because the US military presence around Iran, it is growing, and that too fast. A US Navy aircraft carrier has moved into nearby waters. Several missile-equipped destroyers are now positioned in the region. Even there is a combat ship designed for a shallow and coastal waters that has been deployed. Well, of course, these are not symbolic ships. They are designed for rapid strikes, military defenses, and close-range conflict. Iran sees this as pressure, possibly preparation. So here's Iran's core message to Washington. General Hatami, he made Iran's position absolutely clear. If the US makes a mistake, meaning a direct military strike, then Iran will not wait to absorb the blow. It will respond immediately. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is deterrence, Iranian style. No long warning, no gradual escalation, and then enters Donald Trump and his mixed signal. Adding to the tension, US President Donald Trump's own statement. On Friday, Trump said that he hopes to make a deal with Iran. But then came the line that rattled diplomats. If we don't make a deal, we'll see what happens. Now that sentence matters because it leaves the door open to pressure, to escalation, to force. And Tehran, they heard it loud and clear. On the other hand, displaying enemy coffin, it is not military necessity, right? It is psychological warfare. Iran is signaling three options at once. To its enemies, we are ready. To its people, we are strong. And to its allies, stand firm. This is about reshaping perception before any shot is fired. Basically, the entire region is getting nervous. America's allies in the Middle East are uneasy. They remember what escalation really looks like. They know how quickly miscalculation spirals, and that is why regional powers are once again urging restraint from both Washington and Tehran, because a war here, it will not be contained.